by. 272. Shooter ready? Stand by. 253. Shooter ready? Stand by. 393. Shooter ready? Stand by. 096. Shooter ready? Stand by. 091. Shooter ready? Stand by. 081. Shooter ready? Stand by. 078. Shooter ready? Stand by. 169. Shooter ready. Stand by. 138, 374. Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by. 169. Shooter ready. Stand by. 'Hello, I'm Bill Walters, owner of 302 TAC Ops Group, and what you witnessed today are some of the drills that we do out here on a regular basis. We offer continuing education courses for CCW, handgun, shotgun, carbine, long-range rifle. So if you're interested in any of the course or course details, please feel free to check out our website, which is available through the links below, and it has our updated schedule and what is upcoming events for us here on the range. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and stay safe out there.